So this is an affordable dash camera. So this is below 1,000 rupees, so I got it for around 900 rupees or so. So this is extremely cheap, but then like, does it really suck? So let's just find out in this video. So design wise, I really like this particular form factor of this dash camera. So this is the battery compartment. So it uses a Nokia BL5C battery. So this is very commonly found battery in the old Nokia devices. Okay, so this is the speaker. So here is the camera. So it's basically, it says it can record at 720p, but it is mostly the 720p is I guess interpolated. And this is basically a VGA camera. These are some what they claim to be infrared light arrangement. So this is the place for your mini USB port, which you will be using to power this thing up. This takes a full-sized SD card, not a micro SD or a mini SD. So these are the power button and some other settings related button. So this is the main feature of this particular dash camera, is that this is like, it has a very handy flip out screen. So well, I definitely like this particular form factor. I mean, I just can imagine like some pretty good dash camera manufacturers comes up with new products with this kind of form factor, because this is a very versatile form factor to have. So I would definitely like to have this kind of form factor with a much better camera, something like the one we find in the E-dash camera or in the VO4 cameras. So this particular form factor is very, very nice. So okay, let's just power this thing on. So I'll be using a power bank so as to keep it switched on. Okay, so it has powered up. Okay, let's see what's there in the menu. So this is the menu. So it can record either in 720p or in VGA. Then timestamp. Okay, motion detection, well, not very useful. Video record time, so it can record video for for a duration of 1 minute, 3 minutes or 5 minutes. So let's just keep it at 3 minutes. Okay, voice record. Then okay, format, language, light frequency, well, it's not much useful. Okay, so this is for the infrared version. So this is for the normal. You can change between video modes. Basically this is it. It's not a very high-end dash camera. You won't be getting any kind of stellar video footage out of this thing, but then for if you're skeptical about getting a proper costly dash camera, this is a very good stepping stone to before you get a dedicated and a proper expensive dash camera. So I will be using it for let's just use and see what this what this particular dash camera is capable of. Is it really too bad to recommend, or is it really too bad to even buy? So let's just find out. So the field of view of this particular camera is very narrow, so it's extremely not suitable for dash camera functionality, but still okay. For 900 rupees you cannot complain about. This is with the infrared night mode. Okay, so this thing is pretty cool. Well, okay, let me just cover up the. Okay, this thing really works. So if you are new to this channel, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for more automotive and tech related contents.